Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is slightly different. I'm actually talking to you about a new group membership which I've just launched, and you'll have the opportunity to get involved if you wish and if it's right for you. It's called the LinkedIn Network Growth Group 1.0, and it's all about dominating LinkedIn, how to use it, profile setup, positioning, and then building a multi-million pound network which will offer you a lot of opportunity for yourself, your business, any new ventures that you want to get involved in. I've been on LinkedIn for the last 7.5, 8 years, and it's been incredible. If you know how to use it, so many opportunities can come from it. And a little saying I have is that if you connect with the right people, you get your education up to scratch, you become almost like a key that can unlock any door. So obviously that means endless possibilities and opportunities for yourself and your business. So what we're going to do, we're going to hop onto the laptop and I'm going to go through a PowerPoint explaining exactly what this group is about, what it entails, what you're going to get from it, the benefits, and then obviously how you can get in touch to apply for this group. So without further ado, let's hop onto the laptop. Okay, so let's kick this off with who is Aaron Knightley, and apologies if you already know a lot about me. I'm only going to do a quick recap. So I'm an investor, entrepreneur, author, podcaster, YouTuber, speaker, event host, business owner, and founder. I've founded 4 groups, most recently the group that we're talking about now. Knightley Investment Group deals all in investment relations, from raising capital, acquisitions, movement of money for high net worth investors, and then introductions and referrals. I'm the author of 2 books, both on Amazon, How and Where to Find High Net Worth Investors and Self-Education Equals Success and Income, and most recently the co-host of Peak Performance Events with my YouTube sponsor for the podcast, which is Casita Properties. Now, what is this new group about? It's called the LinkedIn Network Growth Group 1.0. This is an exclusive membership for those who seriously want to grow and scale and seek new opportunity. Okay, and LinkedIn has so many opportunities. I just think that many aren't really aware of it because it's not the most exciting platform. Granted, it's really not, but I promise you there is so much opportunity if you just spend a little bit of time getting to know it and using the platform correctly. The involvement of this group will be profile, posting, positioning, professionalism, and then finding and connecting and working with investors. Because if you have a powerful and great network, you'll have so many opportunities off the back of it. Why do you need LinkedIn? So, high caliber networking, new business ventures, generate business leads, connect with CEOs, high net worth investors, influencers, family offices, successful entrepreneurs and angel investors, and they're all there at the fingertips, just using the keyword search, and you can go on to find them, connect with them, and possibly go on to work with them. I mean, the possibilities are endless. We're going to talk about raising private capital. That's a big thing that we can do on LinkedIn, opposed to, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. LinkedIn is where a lot of wealthy business owners are, and capital companies and private banks. Meet joint venture partners, seek new job opportunities, increase your company revenue. Brand and business exposure can be massive on LinkedIn. It's just underrated. And sponsorship opportunities. So, areas of focus within this new group, LinkedIn Network Growth 1.0. So it's going to be about professional profile setup, posting templates, tips and tricks, learn how to build a multi-million pound network, understand where and how to find investors, learn how to use and take full advantage of the keyword search engine. It's so powerful, you have no idea. How to position yourself as the expert, because of course anyone you work with will always look for validation in who you are, what you do, and if you're keeping up to date, and you're actually doing live projects in your industry. Attract more people to your profile, learn to generate new leads and opportunities. So what's included in the group? Well, there's going to be 2 75-minute group Zoom calls every month, an active WhatsApp group which is live from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Guest speakers will be attending the group, half price entry to all Peak Performance events, Aaron Knightley's Amazon books for free, so they'll be given to you if you haven't already got them. There's a refer a friend incentive. There's live tips, tricks and hacks and key information when it comes to LinkedIn and outside LinkedIn. So it's primarily about LinkedIn, but we will be talking about other resources as well and other profile setups. Referrals and introductions is obviously one of the big bonus if you're included in the group, is that I'm actually able to make referrals and introductions directly to the members depending on what they need, at a cost of a small monthly commitment fee which will be on interest. So how to apply? Well, DM me on Instagram, either at Aaron Knightley Official, my main page, or Knightley's Roundtable Podcast. You can DM me directly on LinkedIn or contact me through the website aaronknightley.co.uk. or just leave a comment in this YouTube video saying request to join Growth 1.0. So hopefully that has given you a good insight. If it's a group that you want to get involved in, I promise you there's going to be so much value for yourself, your brand and your business. And until next time, and hopefully I'll be connecting with a few of you, I will see you all very soon. Please do remember to like and subscribe. And if you think anyone else would benefit from this, do go ahead and share it, and I will speak to all of you soon.